Good afternoon, good afternoon. How's everybody? Cheer, whanau. How's everyone doing? All good, Cheesecake. Safe travels, brother. Drive safe. How's everyone doing, whanau? Yo, Examine. 3 months today, Brooks. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, my brother. Oh man, you didn't have to do that, but much appreciated, my dude. Now, sorry, I am really late. I was at a birthday for some kids of my daughter's school. Kia ora, Ryan. Cheer, brother. Sorry, my phone's just over there, so I'm just trying to watch it, make sure. Hey, Private Panda. So I just got my Prop Warrior to level 30 last night for Project 30. Man, it's good. It's kind of cool. I cheered Digital Wolf. It's a different way of playing WoW while we wait for current content to come out. Shout out to Red Bull NZ. Minnesota. Hey, brother. Timberwolf, hey, brother. Yeah, so I've got some timber just out to the side here for a project that we'll be doing around the 10th or the 9th to the 20th within that bracket. And I may have to put JT's piece on hold. Sorry if you're here, brother, but I do have your timber ready. And I'll be drawing out your mask over the weekend too, or throughout the week. Maybe over the weekend, and then we'll do it Tuesday or something. Now, on Wednesday and Thursday next week, there won't be any day streams because I'm going to be at a hapu wānanga, which is kind of like a school for, you know, when your child's about to be born and all that. Yo, Sergeant, thanks for the 6 months, brother. And, how do I say that? Stucifer? Hope I said that right, brother. Thank you guys for subbing. Much love. So yeah, it's Halloween today. I don't think any kids will be walking around because it's raining. Either way, more lollies for me. Hello from Ireland. Hey, brother. So if everyone's new to the chat, usually we like catch up first and then we'll start carving. So we've got a bit to do today and it should be good. It's all about having fun. That's all it's about. And the first try. Oh, I did get it right. Yeah, thanks, brother. Yo, brother Valoon. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you for the 7 months, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. No, our man Panda won't be on today. He doesn't do Saturdays too, but much appreciated, brother. And thanks for being here this afternoon. Oh no, I think it'll still be around lunchtime or 11 for you guys, eh? I think so, yeah. Oh, true, that means it's my birthday. Cheek Buster. Hey. Hey, Cheek Buster, thank you very much for the sub, my brother. Much appreciated. Much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to, though. Ora, go to bed. Nah, chill, my bro. How are you? Casper Vic, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Much appreciated. Yoza! Oh, I don't get into gangs, bro. You're in the wrong place. Rather represent my ancestors and my whakapapa than gangs, brother. That's better than gangs. Hello from Indonesia. Hey, brother. Okay. I've got the chat here now. So if you don't mind, we can catch up a bit more for a few more minutes, or we can just start. Either way. But like seriously though, it is. Oh, true. Yeah, if you're gonna like throw gang shit in here, I'll probably get you timed out because I don't give a shit about gangs. Tilly Nini, thank you very much for the sub, man. Thank you. Much appreciated, mate. Hi from Sydney. Hey, Sydney's realist. Cheers, bro. So when do we find out what the secret project is? So I've been given the window between not the 9th to the 20th. Now, the only hint I'll give everyone is that you have probably already seen it, and it's not even part of my culture, or cultural carving. Yes, I'm Athena. Hey Athena, thank you very much for the sub. Much appreciated. Talofa lava also. Hey Spider. Hey my brother. So yeah, I'm just letting you know that yeah, I'll be attempting to carve something outside of my culture. It's a cool opportunity, and I couldn't pass it down because it looked fun. And one thing I will say is that I think majority of you have already seen what it is. You just don't know it yet. Hey, Plastic! 6 months got back from South Island trip yesterday. Ooh. Highly recommend to anyone that trip there. Oh, that's right, you were down south, my bro. Okay, brother. What was your highlights down south, my bro? Throw us some highlights, brother. Bula, Bula Vanaka, brother. I'm from Canada. Hey, brother. Flexels. Mr. Frightful? Nope. Let's just say you've all seen it before. And it's not in World of Warcraft either. Not giving away too much. Because where's the fun in that? Blamstick, back when I was, man, these Harley Davidsons, eh? Back when I was 12 years old. So this particular style of carving is pretty much part of the culture, brother. I literally have a pair of those rain boots. Yeah, can't get past the red band gum boots, man. Mount Cook, Hooker Valley Hike, Lake Tekapo, Queenstown, Milford Sound, I don't know. Was a whole different level in my opinion. Yeah, it's like a whole nother world down there. That's cool, my bro. So, has anyone else listened to the new KDA song? But I didn't even know that Madison Beer Girl could sing. Yo, Little Boat Creep, thank you very much for the bits, man. Cheers from the moon. Cheers, brother. Heading out, but hope you and all the whanau are having a good weekend. Cheers, Himarjan. Thank you, brother. Hope you're having a good week, day over there. I'm not sure if it's the weekend there, brother, but much love to you, my bro. How's everyone's Friday or Saturday going? Dan Kilgrave. Of course I'll say your name, but there's no need to talk like that, brother. Too soon. Stay here. Houston, Texas, Māori in the house. Can you shout out my hometown of Waiuru? Appreciate it. Hey, true, bro. Yeah. Oh, no, we're pretty all good compared to the rest of the world, I would say. True. Over there in Houston, eh? Been working on homework for the last 3 hours. Take a break, man. Wait, did we get raided? Oh, we did too. Byfield. Thank you very much for the raid, brother. Much appreciated, my man. Welcome, raiders. Welcome, everyone that's come through from the brother stream. Kia ora. That's our greeting in my native tongue, the Māori language. Hello, my name's Brooks. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, and I love food. I love my culture. If you have any questions about what I do or about me, don't be afraid to ask. Do you watch football? No. Oh, Dan Kill, no need to say forgive me, just, yeah. Don't talk like that, brother. You gotta stay here now. How's everyone doing anyway? Are we good? Food is great. Yeah, food is good. House painter, and my speciality is old buildings with old woodcraft lovers. Damn, you must do a whole lot of heritage buildings there, Blamstick. That's cool, brother. Let me just swipe away the notos. Golden Monkey, thank you very much for the sub, my man. What's a billabong? Isn't that a surfing label? Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. Coronavirus is like among us. Man, I can't play that game, eh? I don't see how it's fun. I feel like tanking a whole dungeon is much more fun than doing tasks in a spaceship with people you're about to argue with. That's probably why I have no interest in it. Koba dude, yeah, that is true. Like within our culture as well, in Māori culture, we don't really necessarily like keep eye contact much. I don't know why, I just never really got into like looking into people's eyes, only now and again. But even in our culture as well, when you look someone dead in the eye, it's usually on the battlefield. Some people play games to argue with people called being a good... Yeah, man. Bruh. That's racist, you can't say the N-word. Black Cyclone. Watch it, bro. You think you're funny? Mate, nah, I'm just gonna ban you now for saying that. That's not even cool. Don't ever do that again. If you're gonna be racist, or if you bring up how racism is cool, you'll probably be gone faster than a fart in the wind. Oh, all good, Cobra dude, that's why I'm here. Blamstick, so I was in primary school, and like usually every Friday we would have like classes outside of the normal school projects or subjects, and my uncle was the woodcarver teacher. Brad plays now. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Steph 1400, thank you very much for the 2 months, man. Much appreciated. What? Someone said I'm going to say, and he was telling him what to be. Who? The dude? Let me look back. Oh, shit, my bad. Sorry, Black Cyclone. I didn't see that bloody word. Sorry, brother. My bad. The Thinker, my favourite man. Learning about your culture is the highlight of my day. Oh, all good, brother. Gee, sorry, Cyclone. I thought you were trying to drop that word. Thank you for correcting me, who was it? Lunar Effect. I feel like you would play a druid. Blamstick, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to, so much appreciated. Let me just blow my nose in. My bad, Cyclone. Didn't see that. Whew. Just about to message you on Discord. I was gonna unban him. Ah, all good, brother. Yeah, that's my bad. Per Moonfire, per. Okay, where were we? There. Oh, don't say that in examine. Never mind the train, I like trucks. I feel like listening to some nostalgia again. It was so good listening to these. Hold on, whanau. Have you ever had a piece crack on you? Armageddon? Yeah, a few times. But all you have to do is like, so the main thing you don't want to do is leave timber out in the sun. And nothing a bit of glue can't handle, brother. So you just find, say like there's a crack here, and then you get your PVA and just put it over the thing, just let it seep in and then seal it. And then shave the top off. Couch Gang, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro, but much appreciated. Racists get the patu hard, yeah. Is the carving style you do from your country, if you know what I mean, the origin style? Yeah, so there are many tribes within New Zealand, Blamstick, that have their own specific way and own tribal style. So no carving is the same in other regions. Yeah, it's never the same, brother. Like, never the same. And that is a plane flying by. Don't forget, whanau, even though it's late in the afternoon here, we are still doing the half pie news. Oh, Couch Gang, thank you, man. Much appreciated, brother. Along with Burnt Spaghetti. Thank you, bros. Stay nifty. What carving has been your favourite so far? Too nasty? I would say all of them. What's the time for you over there, Otter? Mr. Madman Kid. Can't tell if that... I feel like that's just a comment. But you need steady hands for this? No. Oh, I don't think so. Unless you're like that. Oh, I wouldn't have a clue. Oh. Oh my god. BBC fan club. Okay, dude. Okay. This guy obviously likes... What would we change your name into, brother? Oh my god, I don't know what I would change your name into. But BBC, his subs went out to Rookie117NZ. Ooh, bit of a Master Chief fan. Quail and Ale, Hexetra, Gozzy and Grimvix. Thank you, BBC. BBC News, I'll call you that. We Pele, thank you very much for the sub as well. Good to see people saying thank you for their gifters too. An extra. Thank you for the sub as well, brother. Boys Bowling Club. Got you, Brox. Ah, you're all good, brother. What do you suggest carving someone who doesn't have a tribe to learn a style from? Who doesn't have a tribe? So you mean someone outside of Māoridom? Like someone who doesn't have Māori heritage? Is that what you mean? I felt like playing the old school ones, eh? Snip, thank you for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated. The music gives me flashbacks. Yeah, but I prefer these over the new ones, eh? I mean, just take your Fraligator into the Elite Four with Icy Wind and just win. That's all you have to do. Okay, if anyone ever played Gold and Silver, which legendary dog did you guys catch first? After a 60-mile bike ride, I need your voice to tell me I'm going to live. You're going to live, men. Your quads are going to feel it. You probably have some mighty quads already, but you know. Damn. Bro, the new ones out the gate. Yeah, they look cool. I mean, I'll always be a fan of Incineroar. But now I've become a fan of Arushifu. But the one punch style, right, he looks cool. Is Kamala coming to your side of the world? Yeah, brother. What is your opinion on electric cars? Don't drive them in water? I see everyone likes Teslas. I don't know what the hype is around those. Evil Knievel. I hope I said that right. Thanks for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. How long has he been streaming? Only 23 minutes. Banging design. Thanks, brother. So I seen the release date for Shadowlands, and unfortunately my daughter is due to arrive around that time. So I feel like she'll have contractions around the 22nd, and then yeah. Teslas are good for the environment. Yeah, I've never really understood the hype around like Teslas, but I know those fellas in FaZe Clan like those cars. I mean, I know something better than a Tesla. A Ute. What do you think about that Blamstick? Yeah, man, I love seeing like other cultures' carving styles. It's beautiful. So I had this thing I tell all the time. So how you know how every tribe has their own particular way of carving. And we have many. Has Brock's got a onesie yet? Nah, well she. That's what I need to look for. But bro, it's hard, eh? It's like it's really hard. Feeling a Tesla doing 0 to 60 in 3 seconds and certainly inexperienced. Those things can move. Oh. For the amount it costs to make it. Yeah, I don't know much about Teslas. But I know everyone loves them, eh? Like where was I? I was in Whakatane one time, and this old dude parked next to me and he had a Tesla. But it was funny because I was driving a truck. Has anyone claimed the free carving commission? Tux Cola? Not yet, brother. Sounds like Pokemon. Yeah, bro, it is. Oven M101. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my man, but much appreciated. So on the 5th whanau stream might have to be a bit early because the Fiberman's coming down from Orcon. Shout out to Orcon as well. And so it'll take 2 days to get the installation done because he has to come on 2 different days. And then we'll sort out these gaming streams. Can we send you gifts, please? No, because that involves money. I mean, you got a Zolian Tiger, you can just send it on WoW. Hey, those ones. Oh my, Fanta. Hey, man. Oh my. How are you, my bro? Bro, I uploaded my first YouTube video. Or exported. Hope I made you proud. I was like, I did something. Hey, chill, my bro, just. Dealing with them. Oh, true, Kai. Yeah, they've been really cool, eh? I just got the modem on Thursday. O'Brien, I carve both. So I like to carve like different types of native timber. So within this art form, brother, you wouldn't necessarily use one timber to carve anything or one species. So for your soft timbers, you'd only ever use them for these kind of projects. Hey, chill, my bro. How you up to? Oh, that's right, it's Saturday. Do you have a Discord? Losorani? Yep. Oh, morning for you, Fanta. Geez, are you allowed to go outside now, Fanta? I think that's what I seen. I might need a switch. Yeah, that's who my sister-in-law was under, Kaya. And man, they're terrible, eh? Like, really terrible. Yeah, so, I pretty much told her cancel it, because I'll take over and let's not go with them, eh? So, like, Slingshot, they merged with someone else over the week and they cut our internet and they said it's not their problem. Yeah, shops and cafes are open now. Gee. Blamestick, are there many different tribes? Many, brother. And there are hundreds of sub-tribes as well. Hundreds. Can't give you an exact number. Just went for a Pokemon walk. Ooh, man, I've been pretty slack lately. Pieces looking on. Yeah, chimba, bro. Yeah, I'm about to start one of the bros commissioned pieces in the chat, and I've got to do something else as well outside of Whakairo. Gonna be a bit scary, but see how we go. It's too much of a good opportunity to pass up because it look fun. The only hint I gave everyone, other than the mods because they know, is that everyone's probably seen it already. Yeah, you've got the Mr. Mime over in Europe. The only ones I need for my Gen 1 Pokédex is Mr. Mime and Mewtwo. Hold on, find it. So with these particular things, it's good to make sure all three sides are straight and even. Caught some good Pokemon. Yeah, I seen you got that cool as Ghost one. Can I send you one? Nah, you can't send one. We have to be like right next to each other in person. To trade, which is kind of dumb. But I guess that's just the way it is. That's all how it's always been. I don't know about now, might have changed. Gonna go eat the best fish and chips in the world. You have a solid stream. Cheers, you have a good one, my bro. The kiddo. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. No, Brooks, would you ever do miniatures and maybe sell them online? Nah, probably not, bro. That's just too small for my liking. How do you give subs to people? You don't. Oh, don't worry about it, Eyeless Texas. Just come and watch, brother. How you been just... Okay, that's one row done. Yo, that's a mean emote. Thanks, Farlang, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Join me in the journey, and hopefully I get better. Hold on, just swipe these away. Can you tell me some more about the tribes? Did you need to apply for it, or where? No, you don't apply for tribes. It's all down to heritage, really, like your ancestry. Then you'll connect to certain tribes, like ancestral areas. Encounter music. Right, that's a mean emote, just the fire one. Okay. These are some talented buggers, alright. Okay, is it Halloween for you today or tomorrow? Our one's today, so I'm guessing you guys will be tomorrow. We bought lollies just in case kids turn up. Usually, because we're not really big on Halloween here. Yo, Steven Spielberg. Maramatoni, let's go. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. Much appreciated for that, brother. Chew, brother. Thunder Punch. Aid Puppy. Gifted a sub to Charlie Ma. Thank you, brother. Tomorrow for the States. Oh, today for Screamy. Yeah, we don't really get into that. What server do you play well on? Bartholus and Frostmourne. It's 2 AM. Oh, don't stay up too late, brother. Cram? Yeah, brother, we usually draw it out first. Always, brother. Always. But there are certain carvers that basically don't even draw it on, they just know. They just mapped it out in their head. I can't do that because I'm still mistakes city. Adjustment city, so I'd rather not. Misfit, thank you for the 2 months, my brother. Much appreciated. Oh, did Steven Spielberg get affiliate? Gee. Blimstick, nah, don't do doors, brother. I've never. Oh, I've wood carved a door in our style, but like in Māori wood carving, but that's not something I do myself personally. Who was that, Fanta? Someone asked a good question. My bad, I missed it. Hey bro, just wanted to say in advance that I'm sorry. What's that for? Oh no, I think I know what's going on. What about a canoe or figurehead of a boat? I've done a figurehead, not the whole entire canoe. One day, I'm not really one to, like, when the opportunity presents itself, then I take it as a sign that, oh, I must be ready. Are you going to watch Mandalorian or are you not into that? I love Mandalorian, brother. Unfortunately, our net's not on at the moment. Our home internet. So probably watch it when it's on. Is it a good one? QC Runty. Oh my god. Oh, and then another 5. Are you serious? Okay, I see why you said sorry. Thank you, brother, even though I had a hunch that's what it was. Okay, brother. Thank you. You didn't have to, 25 gifted subs, brother. Shit, that's a lot. Much appreciated, my bro. Now, what I'm going to do... Okay, so those 25 gifted subs went out to Ducko Comics, Drew P. Whanau, Fachinley, Juice is Orange, East Oakland Dubs, okay, Vocalician, Keener Dog, Magicos, Tyrex Music, Diamond X Plays, Sugar Honey, SWAT Relaxo, Cabrita Alada, Native, August D21, J Bear Queen, Inverum, Cooney, QI Joy, Zombie Paper, and then his other 5 went to Muckluck, J-Mate, Skinny P, and Sweetheart. Oh, jeez. Thank you, brother. Lucky you apologised in advance. So if you got a gifted sub, feel free to say thank you. That's a lot, bro. Holy cow. Thank you, bro. And Gabonio. Thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Is your carving for decorative only, or do you carve at building or furniture too? Nah, more decor. But some projects I can't do on the camera, I do off the camera. Brox is a god. Nope. Ooh, shoes here. Cheers, there's an ox. Okay, I'm off to eat fish and chips. Ah, everyone eating fish and chips today. Must have been nice. Okay, let's do this final. 2 AM. Oh, nice Black Watch. Have a good sleep, brother. So if you want to know who did my emotes, the Bro Thunder Punch, his TikTok is the real Ken doll. Be sure to go check him out. I was in another stream and someone gifted me, just came to say thanks. Oh, all good, Tyrex. Good on you, brother. Okay. Let's even out these. So, a question to everyone in chat. I was wondering, what other streamers do you guys watch? I want to see if we watch the same streamers. Is there anyone else you enjoy watching? This guy. Kriparian. Nice, bro. Yeah, I actually met Kriparian, eh? Just you. Oh, true. Speedrunner. Love Paddy Speedrunner. True, brother. AoE 2. What's that game, brother? Panda TV, Horty Chicken. Yeah, I see you in there, bro. But that's so cool. She has like 29 warlocks there, and she gears them all. That's some commitment right there. Only those are next. There's the Age of Empires competitive scene. Tourists don't usually go. Man, it's hard because all the good places is where pretty much tourists go. If you want insight into the South Island, I believe the brother Plastic's still here. He just got back from his trip down there, which is pretty cool. Benny mahalo. Cheers, brother. Good, Benny? Yeah, all good, brother. You ever play Among Us? Nah. That game doesn't really excite me, other than watching Donnie get owned all the time. Busy week, bro? Yeah, QC. Really busy week. Especially with the family. I won't say much, but yeah. But I'm all good though. Moist Critical. Yeah, man. It's pretty buzzy. He dropped in here one time, like a long time ago. Even Kriparian, when I was talking about when I met him at Tamaki Māori Village, and he dropped in and used the high emote, and his wife raided me. I was low-key trying to keep it together. Do you play Destiny? When I can. Usually anyone does, and so Donnie still sucks at that game. Yeah, I'm based. Man, there's a lot of places, eh? So, like up north at the Cape, like right at the top. Then there's Waitangi, another place. Man, there's so many options. Kita moko, oh no no. You ever carved a Pokemon or something? No, brother. I'm only just considering carving stuff outside of my culture. It's not going to be all the time though. I always put this above any other carving, like my cultural carving. Because this is why I joined. Where's the poye? You get banned for playing any music you want these days, bro. For our honeymoon, and it was amazing. We visited Rotorua and Te Pū, and they were amazing. Dilute Atom. Yeah, the otter. That's Moa. I still haven't climbed up there yet. I still want to. But none of my mates are keen. Hashtag my household. So next time I'm over there, I'll go climb up by myself. It's alrighty. Broxville, president of the world. No thank you, man. It looks like you gotta be an old fossil to try and run for that. Blamestick. Nah, never really, never really gotten jobs like that. Hey, do you know 660? I know the band, I don't know them personally. We'll do it. Yeah, bro, keen as. I'll be keen as, bro. I just don't know how to get there, other than follow the road to the mountain. But then again, might go the wrong way and end up in the hood. Oh! Does your place celebrate Halloween? The kids do. As you get older, you're like, meh. Just make sure you got lollies in case they come door knocking. If they don't, it's still a W because you get lollies for yourself. Hello, Senzo couple? Okay. Like even in my hometown, we didn't celebrate it because like houses were like, what, 3 k's apart. So the area I'm from, so it's like a valley, and through the valley is like a river and a canyon. So if you wanna walk to the next house, you gotta go the long way instead of climbing down, climbing back up. You suppose the colour difficult? They were at first. And then as you continue to do them, you start to find like your own rhythm, your own, like kind of like your own formula. For how long has your family been carving? That's actually a good question. So it goes back, what, maybe 5 generations? There are a lot of carvers in my genealogy, on both sides as well. Base Taipei, yeah, she turned up, but she also had stuff to do here in Rotorua. Her visit with me was like off her official schedule, but that week the head office actually asked if it was okay for her to come see me because she wanted to. I messaged her on Instagram too, just saying congratulations. Do you know why they originally started carving? Just like every other carver, just to pass it down through the generations. Every tribe had carvers, and basically it all depended on who they passed the teachings down to, and if the families carried it on through their generations. Te whakarewarewa o te ope tau wāhi ao. Not happening now. Fair enough. Here in Dublin we call kids chiselers. Chiselers. Did I say that right, brother? Yeah, we call them kids, and then we call them ho-has. Hold on, whanau, just trying to smack this out. I'm sure Brooks has got some room for you. Yeah, it wasn't gonna be a hard one with this referendum, eh? I mean, you still got those boomers that think it's still bad for you, then those squares that think it'll destroy the economy. But then again, there's the dealers will still be happy because if it became legal, they'd have no customers. But yeah, it's a hard one, eh? I mean, I voted yes mainly just for the people that really need it, not those people that just smoke it because they want to. So yeah, interesting thing. It's divided a lot of people, but I mean, at the end of the day, I've got carvings to do, and yeah, got other stuff to do. It all depends, Blamstick. If I did this off stream, I can finish this just over 2 weeks, maybe even less, maybe 5 days full on. Pigsy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. You didn't have to though. Do you paint or varnish yourself, or is that separate? Mushka, I usually do it myself, brother. I'm still trying to decide whether to use a stain or just continue using linseed. So I want to try something different. I mean, I could buy paints and have a painting stream. And how you get inspiration for every piece, like each one is unique. From my ancestors, all the inspiration comes from the past. Pretty much, brother. We have generations of knowledge. Little shits. I think it's great to be different. Yes, nah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I still have to find something to frost the background, just so it pops out a bit more. I've never really done it with the popo, like with this particular carving, so yeah, that's why I really want to try it. Do you ever draw what the carving is going to be? Yep, paper, brother. Always start from the paper. Always start from the paper, brother. Manly peanut. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. So you can use like the back of a nail, like the flat head you use on a hammer, just to like put, or even like the screw, a screw, just hammer it on the background. Nah, blame stick, I don't freestyle traditional carvings. I'm just seeing where we need a carve. Oh, there was a ram, Dodge Ram. Okay. When I was watching their KDA song last night, I was gonna go, man, I should just email Riot and ask them if I can do opera as Brom on a video in the mountains. Are you listening to 8-bit music? Pokemon Gold and Silver, brother. Because I played the stream out loud and he thought someone was knocking. You should have left them there, bro. Keep going. Oh man, the music just hit me in the childhood. It's low key. Not low key. This was one of my favourite Pokemons, eh? Silver and Gold. And of course along with Red and Blue. Blamstick, we don't really carve animals, brother. Oh, we do, but it's called a manaya. Now here it is here. This is what we carve, a manaya, so it has the head of a bird and the body of a man. That's as close to animals as we get. I mean, we carve dogs as well, because we bought dogs from Hawaii, from our original place of origin. Just had a huge fight with my friends, so being in Texas all my life. What do you do? Oh man. Hope you're alright there, brother. What did I get? The first Pokemon game I got was Red. First Pokemon I chose, obviously, the mighty Squirtle. Ah, it's all good, Blamstick. That's why I'm here, brother. Just to answer your questions, brother. No need to be sorry about anything, brother. Well, unless you're going to be a egg, but you know, I don't think you're that type of person. Fat Pikachu or Skinny Pikachu? Is that like the first one? I actually don't like Pikachu at all. It's not a tank turtle with cannons in its back. Damn, playing a new Pokemon game right now. How's that going, Firewolf? I see there's a lot of like mixed opinions around it. Like, some people like it, some people don't. Blastoise is the best. Floating sword. Ah, yeah, didn't mind that one. I mean, I got sold when I seen Incineroar wrestler. I was like, yep, I'm choosing that guy. That's the last Pokemon I ever played. And that's why he's the one I enjoy playing on Smash. Okay, I need a... Yeah man, I would love to play LAB today, but I'm kinda scared to. Just with this whole DMCA buzz going on, even though I have the okay from the label and the band as well, there's still that like doubt in the back of my head that they'll turn around and try and bite me in the ass. Yeah, and the literal bag of trash too. Definitely running out of ideas, eh? I bet you they were just thinking in the office and they're like, bro, what about a rubbish bag, geez? And then the other fellow was like, bro, car keys. I saw you on TikTok. What was I doing? I know it's getting late now, maybe. I still need to do my What's Your Baby's Name TikTok. Puppy name, any ideas? What kind of puppy do you have? I love the KDA song as well. Yeah, me too. I was listening to it and then I started bopping my head. I was like, this can't fire. I didn't know Madison Beer could sing. I didn't even know Madison Beer was in KDA. I was like, she's got a cool last name. Just looking around the house making random shit into Pokemon. If I want to be... What would your predictions be for another Pokemon coming out? I legit think there's going to be a steel type. There's going to be a truck. That looks like... what was that old school cartoon with the yellow car? Oh, it wasn't a cartoon, it was like a real car, but it had eyes and a mouth. Thank you, Wolfie. Yo, Brox, how are you today? Man, I'm doing good, brother. Thank you for asking. Hope you're doing even better. Just making a brew. Yeah, almost bedtime. Usually when he makes a brew, he's getting tired. Oh, my bad. Cars 2D. Time is it for you? 2:25. What else? They've done a tree, like a literal tree, that's their ghost type. What's something they may have missed? Just not too far from a car. So since this will be up on YouTube later, YouTube people that might be watching now, even though the stream's finished already, put your ideas in the comments what you think the next Pokemon will be. I feel like even a kettle there. A fire water type. They made an ice cream too. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the hell's going on? Vacuum cleaner or a road cone. It sounds like Rotom. Hello, Dominic Sunshine. Hey, brother. Okay, yeah, I'm just trying to clean up the like edges of these cuts, so all the pencil marks are gone. It's looking good. A piece of sushi. Nice. It's not a doorman. Yeah, I don't think they go that far, brother, with Bob Marley and all that kind of stuff. Okay. A pumpkin. I feel like Holucha should evolve into something Nacho Libre themed. They've done a pumpkin? Yeah, they have. Oh, that's right. Totally forgot. Bevel line. That's what I noticed last time. Man, I can't stop listening to Lab. Nice, brother, as long as you enjoy their music, man. I know I certainly do. Base Typey, isn't that what Rotom Dex can do? Oh, Rotom? Because he, like, possesses the Pokedex, eh? And he pretty much talks for Ash. So we got to do this section. Did you watch Digimon? Not as good as Pokemon, but still enjoyed it. Yeah, bro. As a kid, of course. Who are my favourites? Zoodomon and Blackwood Greymon. I remember when he showed up there and he just rolled everyone. And he didn't care what anyone else would think. Don't think I've ever seen your face. Oh, I just pretty much showed it at the start of the stream. I'm no Batman, bro. I'm not out here trying to hide my face. Okay, I think these cuts are almost done, eh? And then we can focus on this. It's just a matter of trying to clean everything up. Brum, by the way, yeah. Okay. Not really supposed to be carving from this angle, but I can't be bothered switching everything around. I was watching the bro Panda play Phasmophobia last night. That's a funny game. See my family, but COVID. Yeah, fair enough, man. Hey, fat man with a limp. Cheer for the 2 months, brother. Didn't have to, bro, but thank you. How are you, bro? Did I tell you guys about my in-laws and what they do with the stream? Shinzo, yeah, bro. That's old school. Boleon. He was my favorite. What about Shaman King? Remember that game? Oh, that cartoon? Okay, I'm back in food intoxicated. Hey, steady brother. Hey, brother. Good to see you. Cheer, my bro. How are you, brother? And on a mouse gifted a sub to Jiggy. Cheer, my bro. When are you going live? Must be today, soon, after I finish. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I hear Shaman King's coming back. But that was cool. That was a cool cartoon as a kid. Amidomaru. Oh, how's the eagle on your chest? Say that, bro. Cheeky Quinter, my bro. He is flying high, bro. How's our tea buddy? Yeah, I made him a mod this morning. Just don't abuse it on your namesake. Oh, your twin, Ranval. Thanks for the sub, brother. Was the gateway to JoJo's. He's a cracker, boy. The rain sounds calming. How you, my bro? How long you been on Twitch for? Gee. Surely got us a follow. Too, my bro. Yeah. So you streaming too, my bro? How much does one of these pieces cost? Benny. So I've sold one of these for about 5,000. Been loving the streams, man. Oh, all good, brother. As long as you enjoy it, eh? That's all that matters. Where were we? Aim Boda. Cheer, brother. As long as you're good, my bro. If not, man, hit me up after the stream. We're all good. It's not all good. Snot Mountain grows again. Take my hand. Cowboy Bebop. Yeah, I probably haven't watched as much anime as you fellas. But have you seen Mugen Train? Yeah, I thought not. Neither have I. Oh, nip slip. Bit of a nip slip, eh? Yeah. Yo, nip slip, thanks for the 5 gifted subs, man. If Captain Planet came back in 2020, he would be angry, dude. Bro. Hard. Yo, Nip Slip, thanks for the 5 gifted subs, man. You didn't have to. But thank you. Those went out to Jessica Designs, Goldcoff, Hawkeye, AUGB, King Matto, and It's Above. Much appreciated, Nip Slip. I mean, I would do it, but you know, TOS can't do it for you. Oliver, Odrogado? Bro, I hope I said that right. Thanks for subbing, my bro. Welcome. Okay. Just evening out these lines. How do you decide what to carve, my brother? Easy. Just choose what you want to do. It's that simple. Sharky, thank you for the sub as well, man. You didn't have to, brother, but thank you, my bro. At least if Captain Planet came back, his mullet would still be in fashion. Bro, he had the filthiest one, eh? It's like one of those bogan ones. With the wife from Connell's. Oh, say that, bro. But how are you still playing guitar with Kuninga? Oh, with Dave Fiddle. So you bought your red truck yesterday, my bro. Yo, Gumtree, thank you for the sub, my bro. You're breathtaking, brother. Much appreciated for subbing, man. You didn't have to. Well, thank you, brother. I would say thank you. There really are some dirty mullets getting around. Man, even Papali's got a really nice, dirty one. Okay, I think the filthiest mullet I've ever seen is a kid from here. So it actually went viral. So his mullet, he obviously had here. So he was a ginger too. And he had this little Jonalomu here. I was like, bro, the one mullet to rule them all. Donnie has nowhere to run now. Yeah, bro, I gave it to you this morning. I was like, nah, I better just make the bro a Māori. Since he's streaming now. Hey. Oh, Nipslip himself subbed. Oh, thanks, man. Fuck yeah. I'll make up time. Get up, boy. Fuck yeah. The rarest of mullet types. Bro. It's probably the most heartiest mullet I've ever seen. I was like, yeah, nah, this kid wins. This guy beats HP boys in the rest of the world. I'll see if I can find the photo and I'll put it in the Discord. Is that Jigsaw 22? Jigsaw playing Destiny. Oh my god! Okay, hold on, find it. Oh my god! Wow! Yeah, these are good. These are all good now. Oh my god! Wow! Oh, come on, Nipslip. Gifted another 3 subs. Holy cow. KVS TV, Nia Lori and Tien 77. Sorry, Tien! Boom! Thank you very much for the 3 gifted subs, Nipslip. You didn't have to, man, but thank you. Donna Kebab, hey! Donna Kebab, thank you very much for reading. Welcome everyone from Donna Kebab's community, or whanau as I like to call it, family. Hello, my name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. Haven't been doing this for long. Started when I was 12 and 21 with 8 years experience. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we have regular in-depth conversations about food, many other things as well. But most of all, I'm just here to answer your questions you may have about carving. Don't be afraid to fire away. Cheer, brother. Nah, no need to be sorry for being late. Fred's the face. Thank you very much for the sub, man. Can I have a Thunder Punch impersonation? Ooh, are we having a new chat redeem? Have you ever worked with Ancient Cody from Prehistoric Bogs? Rob James, yeah, bro. I've worked with many different types of like, even when the dinosaurs were around, like Swamp Cody and all of that. Probably some of the most cream wood I've ever cut into, like the best. Blame stick. No, I don't keep any of my carvings. I only own one, and I'm giving that to Jacinda Ardoon because I want to give her a carving just because I want to, because she turned up. Is that a Lakers jersey I see? Yeah, brother. Kobe. Everybody know Kobe. Found the pawns. Then he start chucking in shit that ain't got nothing to do with basketball. Krispy Kreme donut round like a rim, got a hole in it. Yeah. That's why I'm glad the Lakers won. Really happy they won. Harry Spears, hey Nazi, at least someone got it. Charles can't talk for shit. Charles is another one. Can it? Yeah, Jacinda said, thank you, I'm trying to give it to her for free, and she's like, no, I'll pay. I was like, I can play tennis all day when you're ready. Okay, we're doing this side. Sorry if I know I have to just cut it from this side, even though you may not be able to see much of it. Unless, yeah, that might work. Hold on. Chief Little Boy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, brother. Much appreciated. That'll work. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Cheers, Sam. How are you, brother? Hey PLL, what's Auntie Jack getting? One of my carvings that I've had for a long time inside. I just figured, yeah, since I don't really hold on to my carvings, I found a place for it. She's trying to pay for it, but I'm trying to tell her no. So just take it. That long already. What's that, brother? Cheer from Topol. Cheer, bro. What a masterpiece. Oh, hardly, brother. Hardly. No other people. And the mountain that falls apart, build a path to be together. And I forget the next couple of lines, but I go secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Hold on, find it. Through the mountain. The leg came out mint, bro. Chill, bro. Yeah, not too bad. Wasn't feeling the flow when I was doing it, but came out better than I thought. Sasaro. Hey, thanks for the 4 months, my bro. And the 4 months in a row too. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, bro, but thank you. Is that too loud? I feel like it is. Gonna be gaming again after my last PC broke down 5 years ago. Gonna pick it up again, check. Oh, nice, brother. Have you heard Alien Weaponry? Yeah, brother, I have. So we just gotta cut all these tags out of here. I might lower it, so you can see a bit better. Or has been up this high good? Let me know. What's your opinion on Mineta from My Hero? Ribena. Cheers, Dogster. Have a good one, brother. Oh, I better get that timber out of the rain too. I've got to draw on it tomorrow. Sound. Okay, down a little. Okay. That looks amazing, babe. Thank you, brother. Okay. So what I'm doing now is just prepping our pakati, which are the notches in between the highs, the cuts. Te amo box. Hey, much love, brother. A little bit more. TikTok saving lives. Okay. Gonna have a look because I'm nosy. Oh, Link gang, no wonder. We can listen to Link's music, not literally post links. Get it? Because it's a link? No. Almost 600. What's that for, bro? Oh, yeah. I kind of don't pay attention to the numbers, I just pay attention to everyone talking. Bill Smacker. Oh man, if you've been in here in earlier streams, I've pretty much carved in torrential storms. Yeah, but those streams have always been cool. Always loved the storm streams. Closest I'll get to being Shaman Main. What does Izanux mean? Why is the Izanux? Anonymous gifter gifted a sub to French Toast Waffles. Much appreciated, brother. You want Song of the Storms now, brother? I'll just chuck it on, eh? I got you, my bro. Why is this a mix? Izanux is like the next level of enlightenment, eh? It's just above the Sage of the Six Paths, maybe even just above the 10 Tails. But then again, you gotta take into consideration that the Izanux could even be greater than SSJ Blue. And then again, you might discover us much faster than Kenpachi finds his sword, but then again, you might not. Yo, Orvo Dacian, thanks for the sub, brother. Oh, for the follow, my bro. Thank you, brother. Welcome, my bro. If you have any questions, fire away. And I accidentally clicked on the Discord. I'm so sorry. Flamestick. I mean, drawing helps. I mean, drawing helps in any art form, eh? Or any craft, I would say. I haven't watched how Texas Hula prepares his pieces. I would love to though, because of the time difference. The secretive art back there, it's wood. Pretty much, so Blamstick, majority of the carvers do transition into Tāmoko, which is like traditional Māori tattoos. But my heart's not really in that. It's more within whakairo Māori wood carving. This is what I want to do in my life when it comes to the art forms that we have and within our culture. To ask about the Azenex's Nah, don't say that. Give me a sub. Someone ban him. Nah. Bloody infomercials that's on at 2 AM in the morning. Or on after Shortland Street at 12 o'clock and you gotta wait till school hours to watch cartoons. School hours are over. Shout out to all my waggers. Thank you, Brute Baggett. We started to get snow up here. It's a mix of happiness and sadness. Oh, true, bro. Oh, I just saw that too. Thank you, FJ Steam, for the bit, man. Much appreciated. Spin Derp, your stream is so chill and you're awesome. Oh, thanks, brother. You're awesome. Whose art is this for? Like, whose piece? This art belongs to the Māori people, brother, not just me. Shout out old Saturday morning cartoon. Yeah, man, Bob the Builder, bro. We watched it this morning. I was like, what the hell is this crap? Watching a peanut and a cucumber turn into a werewolf. What the hell's going on here? Bring back Squirt TV. The old penguin. Those were the cartoons back in the day. Thank you, Orvo. I will, man. As long as you enjoy it, that's what motivates me to carry on. FJ Steam, thank you again for the bits, man. You didn't have to. Aid? Nah, man. They send me something better than wood. Cause cookies. I just found out my cousin's girlfriend works for Coles. And I'm like, I know what I want for Christmas. Screw the new shoes. Send the boxes, G. What materials do you use? Wood. Native wood. Okay, I'm over this song. Sorry. someone suggested on Twitter as well, carve the different symbols of the Orc clans. I was like, that's a pretty good idea because they're simple and I can probably do them. Hey James Raki, too bro. Man, there's been streams where the rain's been louder than this. I'm like, as long as my socks don't get wet, I'm carrying on. Sounds like someone needs a bulk order of Cole's cookies. Do you play Among Us? Nah, not a good liar, so I probably won't play it. And kind of looks like it would get boring after like 2 games. That's just my opinion on it. Dude, that looks brawling. Yeah, that's cool. Sure, brother. Stream starting to sound like Skyrim. This is the Baron's bar. Baron's music. Take my hand like the earth. Show me what is real. Just J.O.P. and Rusty Wombat. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. But thank you, brothers. What started your love of wood carving? Well, when I started at like 12, so I was 12 years old when my uncle like introduced me to the art form, and pretty much I've always had a big love for my culture, just like every other child that's raised around the whanau family or on the marae. And I didn't know about carving till my uncle, who was the carving teacher at the time, started these classes we would have every Friday. Like, it was different from your normal like school subjects, and yeah, picked it up, did it for the first time and enjoyed it. I still had my first carving I ever did, and but I gave it to my mother, so she holds that now. And also and there's kind of like the light bulb that goes off, or your eureka moment you have, and then you're like, okay, this is what I want to do. Like, what I wanted to be when I was young was work in a zoo with red pandas or be in the art department for Blizzard. Then from then on I was like, boom, nah, I want to carve. It's part of my culture, it's part of my people. And down the line we learned that our ancestors fought hard to keep this alive, because, you know, with colonization and all the people that came over trying to wipe out our teachings and whatnot and replace them with their own, our people were defiant. And obviously with it being here today, you just want to honour them and carry it on. And that's something I realised that day, and that's what I want to do, is carry it on. And a plan I have in the long run, once I get better as I go on throughout my life, is become a restoration carver and hopefully restore some of our old meeting houses around Aotearoa because they're over 100 years plus and they're showing signs of wither. Yeah. So that's why I love doing this.
Yep.
Crocs, are you Māori?
Yes.
So just chick cutting all these, prepping them now. Yo, Talahu, appreciate you sharing box aloha mai from Hawaii. Yeah, I'm the staff member from Hawaii. How we can perpetuate Hawaiian culture as well. Nice, man. Yo, thanks for dropping in, bro. I did not know that. So the only other Hawaiian stream or other streamer I know that's from Hawaii or Oahu is Jigsaw. And she does art, but she plays COD as well. There could be an opportunity to do something. Yeah, I would love to see like all the Polynesian culture on Twitch. And a lot of people from Rarotonga have come forward asking me whether they should do it or not, and I'm like, do it. That's the advantage you have, is showcase what our people do, because we're all one people in Te Moana Nui a Kiwa, so we call the Polynesian Triangle. I always got love for my Polynesian people. Oh, true. Nothing to show for it. Yeah, we have. So what we call our one is a uhi as well. Oh, that's cool. I've always been fascinated by all our cousins around Polynesia. Hawaii in particular. Oh damn, Master Chief Petty Officer. Oh, thank you very much for gifting subs, man. You didn't have to. I'll gift him a sub. They went to the new dingo. Thank you, brother. Sorry, whanau, I'm just going to try and do a few of these. Get them out of the way. Yeah, I always love watching Mary Monarch as well. Especially that lady. Ah, she's the chief. Oh, come on. Oh, and someone found it. Yo, thanks for the $25, man. Holy crap. Man, you could have used that on yourself. But thank you, man. Bro Phil, thank you for gifting 5 subs as well, brother. You didn't have to, but much appreciated, man. These went to Hybris, Fenware, High Octane Gamer, Miss Bells, and Dr. So. I hope I said that right. And then the Donna as well. Thank you very much, Renz. Man, you didn't have to do that, man. There's Bells. Yeah, I found it. Thank you. You didn't have to, though. Man, that's like the Magnum deal that's going on at KFC right now. That could have been yours. Never have, but always wanted to just... talking to just... Tōtara is hollow. Oh, when it's rotten. Whanau so umai, whanau so vale. That's how it was growing up in my valley. I haven't eaten today, neither have I, James. It's all good, eh? Well, it's yours now. Enjoy. Thank you, Renee. Just gonna invest in like more tools, timber. Once we have a good place to carve, once we leave this open shed as well. Oh, green. Okay, I may need to change it back that way because I need to come, like, hit the wood from this where the camera is. Okay, are we wanting the news, eh? Get your questions ready, whanau. Get your questions ready. They better be good ones too. Not the, oh, how's your day? Anonymous gifted a sub. Yo, thank you, man. To Velkin. Man, I'd love to know what your literal name is or IGN Twitch name so I can thank you properly. So much appreciated. Okay, get your questions ready. Because it's half pie or die. No. Get prepared for this weather update. Just let me just find our news song. Or should we just play the Smash Bros theme song? I feel like even I get pinged for that. Yo, Gaston Lafette, thank you for gifting 2 subs, brother. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, get your questions ready. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Half Pie News for your broadcast today. Half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the afternoon news. This time, it's me, Brox, presenting for you the news, however, in a half pie fashion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with some of the stuff that's going on around the world, it's actually not quite that good. Unfortunately for some, yeah, there are some countries that are still in lockdown. But for one city in particular, Melbourne, the Melbourne Storm, Fanta Pants Land, ladies and gentlemen, they have just come out of a certain period of their lockdown where their shops and their stores are now open, where you can go out to town and enjoy a nice coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go to the chat to see if they have any questions. All they have is pies and no questions. Typical from the chatters, as always. Okay, we have one. How much do you sell your wood carvings for? Well, it all depends on what kind of piece you do. Big piece can be dear, a smaller piece can be much cheaper as well, but it all depends on the project that you want. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will now assume the position for our weather report as the chat figures out some answers, but however, we will do the weather report in a different fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, taking the vocal cord ambience of our man Thunder Punch and presenting you with the weather. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present with you the weather report for today. So my name is Brox, however, with the Thunder Punch accent. As you can see, or as you can hear, the primordial god Ranginui is crying down to his beloved wife Papatuanuku as they lament for each other, and they cry because of the eternal separation that they have. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the weather report today. Raining clouds, clouds in the sky, crying God, oh my. So ladies and gentlemen, back to the normal accent of myself. Okay, here we go. So before we carry on with the half-pie news, I would like to do a little bit of a shout out to Malashai for the raid today. Thank you very much, sir. So you've joined at a very specific section of the stream where I present the half-pie news. Not as good as mainstream media, but however, half-pie nonetheless. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately I cannot see any more questions from the chat, so ladies and gentlemen, I will now present for you the humidity of the day. Well, unfortunately it's quite warm, but it's quite cold, so there we have it. From there to you, from me to there, ladies and gentlemen, humidity everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, we have any more questions? As the carving is only decorative, or the symbols you carve have a name. So ladies and gentlemen, for the particular carvings that I do on the stream, even though this is the half-pie news, I will explain. So, if I carve an ancestor, I will not sell it because that is disrespectful to carve an ancestor and sell it for your own gain. So ladies and gentlemen, the carvings I do not connect to any specific Māori ancestor that you may have heard or seen of within our country. Aloha bro, you got a whale rider there. Okay, there are no whale riders here, but there's half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. So it looks like the questions are not really much questions today. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the half pie news. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to vote. And also, the cannabis referendum was very unsuccessful this week. However, you can't stop the boomers, you can't stop the squares. So ladies and gentlemen, there it is. And also, I don't know about the other one, but I didn't look that much either. Now something else that has also been going on is Project 30. Something that Soda Poppin has introduced while everyone waits for the pre-patch content. So, Project 30, you level a character to level 30 and then you turn your experience off and then you gear it and you run on content right up to Ice Crown Citadel. Ladies and gentlemen, for our good sorts today, we have a certain individual. I don't know if she's here, but she is one of the fastest mods we have in the bay, could also possibly be in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, Maya Raki Raki. Can we get some Maya Raks in the chat, please? One of the fastest mods we have here. She was actually someone who is a mod here, but I tell her to go and have lunch or do her work because there's enough people here and she mods for enough people already. So shout out to Maya Duck. Also, she mods a lot of people as well. So if you see her, throw her a Maya Raki Raki in the chat. So ladies and gentlemen, I've got a question. Do you know when Donnie's birthday is? So today is Donnie's birthday, tomorrow is Donnie's birthday, yesterday's Donnie's birthday as well. So Donnie Dens, even though you keep sliding up behind my damn fence every day, kia ora to you. Tanga koe, bro. So ladies and gentlemen, half pie here, half pie there, half pie everywhere. Have a good one. Do you know your mic is a mallet? Okay, wise guy. Oh, Molly's. Oh man, I've got to go back to that raid. Sorry I missed it, man. So that was the half pie news, finally. Malishi, yeah, thank you very much for raiding, brother. You and your community, or your whanau as I like to call it. So thank you very much for giving them a shout out, mods. No, I did believe I seen your message. We are from Argentina. The other day I found you watching a video. That is what the difference or different streamers. Excellent person. Ah, thank you, Malishi. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, man. Cheers, Donny. How are you, my bro? Where did the half pie news came from? Well, it is something of an idea that came to fruition one day as I randomly did it, and the crowd loved it, or the whanau loved it even more. So I thought to myself, because it is a good laugh, I'd carry on doing it for laughs all around, because nothing wrong with a good laugh in your life, okay? There you go. You play League of Legends? Nah, not that much, brother. It's a toxic game. I'm a bit groggy. Too much cat. No. How's your waha, bro? No. I actually didn't watch the news this morning, so I didn't know what to say. So I just always wing it. You know me, finally. Wing it, gang. Sword and board or two-handed? Ah, I'm a Fury Warrior main, brother. But I just started learning prop, and I think it's fun. Do you okay, Rich? Stream here, stream there, stream there. What are you carving? Wood. No. I'm doing a popo, man. So popo is kind of like our portraits of our ancestors that we do, which is pretty much located inside our meeting houses, majority of the time. I need an alliance emote for our alliance players as well. Carve some shoes. I need to carve a shoe for one person. He already knows because I told him. Yeah, Zach. So I'm doing a popo, brother, which is pretty much what this entire carving is called. As I mentioned before, yeah, you can only find them in our meeting houses. So there, I don't know if you can see it all. There it is. Oh, my Red Bull can, hold on. Littering! Hold on, find it. Let me just throw this in the recycling bin. Hold on, Father, I forgot to wipe the windows up. track. Yo, what? Oh. Not the window. I took my rubbish and I went, hey look, the window is open. Oh damn. Raining for ages, yeah. It's all good. Nothing about a newspaper can't fix. Gonna get in trouble, yeah, hard. The seat is wet as. I feel bad now, I've got to get a towel. This is gonna slap your ears. Hold on, got a towel, just gonna dry the car. Your car needed a damn clean anyway. True by the low gains. What a run it. Do you have any suggestions for starter carvers? For example, do you carve what comes to your mind or do you just go with it? Carve what comes to your mind and you go with it. Isn't that two of the same thing? But nah, my ancestors have basically generations of teachings that have passed down. If you're Māori wood carver, just go with it. Are you okay? Yeah. Just a bit Maku, but yeah, I'm good. Did a bit of running. Hengel, thank you very much for the sub, Hengel. Didn't have to bother, but much appreciated. Hey, Jiggy. Why is your foam in a block of styrofoam? 200 IQ, that's why. No. Why waste money on hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a phone holder or 25 when you can recycle styrofoam, cut out the shape of your phone and use an undermount and it won't go anywhere near the concrete. $9,000. Sorry, finally my kid gave me a lollipop. What was it like when you're at school? Okay, I guess. I would have just put the phone on the clamp thingy. Well, and this thing that'll probably crush it. Clamps are for my projects, not for phones. That's why I came up with a solution. Yo, B-Tree! Thank you for gifting us something. Bone chicka wow wow. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to, but thanks, brother. Bone chicka wow wow. Okay, let's do these. They start from the back and carry on. Hey, Rimred. Roger that. Thank you for subscribing for 3 months, brother. Thank you, bro. Ah, thanks, brother Beatsy. Okay, let's do these. So I got to start from the back, so you might not see them. But I'm up to just yet. Toasty Bacon, thank you for gifting a sub, brother. Much appreciated, my man. You didn't have to. Where do you live? Volcano. I'm eating a hangi while watching your stream. Games. Love to see it, brother. Oh, now Bone Sugar Wow gifted us so. Thank you, man. Didn't have to. Although I'm pretty sure it's late for you, eh? Like real late. Must have the whole like... I swear you must have the whole like coffee bag eh? And you just got a spoon. Thoughts on the referendum? Predictable, but we tried, I guess. Not that bad, man. It's the weekend anyway. Are you sure? You know I don't want you staying up too late, brother. Epicritical. Hey, brother. Hey, Jam Command as well. Welcome to the stream, brother. Big fan. Welcome, my bro. Much love, Bounchick. Well. Hey, bro, new to the stream from the UK. Damn, it'll be late for you too, hey, Alistair. But welcome, brother. What time is it for you? 3:30. King Gaming. Yo, you always brighten my day. Thank you for the 2 months in a row, brother. Thank you, my bro. Okay, yeah, so so tomorrow's stream is gonna be a sharpening one. I wanna try get up at our normal time, but I'm gonna see how we go tomorrow, because I've got to cut out JT's mask for his timber. I've got to cut the timber out and then I've got to draw the mask on, or the face. AM 3:37 for me. God damn, man. Sharky, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Well, I'm sure I just seen you sub before. Was that another Sharky? Oh no. Someone found the koha button. Oh, what are you doing? My birthday's gone, brother. Holy shit. Yo, hey, thank you for the $100, bro. Holy shit. Thank you, bro. Fuck up. In all honesty, bro, you did not have to, eh? Man, that's a lot, bro. What part of Auckland? South. South is. Well, thank you, man. I'll probably go towards Timber, brother. Thank you, bro. I really need to sort of bottle it out for the chat so I can see it without jumping through, like, apps. You're the best human. Gee, it's only like 4 hours. Fuck, thank you once again, brother. God damn. Thank you, Sina Cook. KFC Kid, hello. I like KFC too, brother. Wee! Do you end up selling these or you just keep them? Sell them, give them away, swap them for other stuff. I swapped my other carving I did for whalebone. Good bloody deal. Good bloody deal. I had a dream last night that I was at some random's house and we walked into his living room and I noticed the carving that I carved years ago, like years ago, in his in the person's lounge. Who was it? I think it was Stephen Adams. I don't know if it's true or not, but man, I would love it if it was a bloody deja vu dream. It's in a mile te ho. Yeah, so one of these carvings I did years ago. Are you wearing the Kobe jersey? Always, brother. This particular singlet I bought with my first work pay. When I first got my first job. It went on a Kobe jersey and food and a game, I think. I can't remember what the game was though. Must have been a scuffed one because I can't remember it. My stream, bro, I'm from Argentina. Oh, hey, Tigers. Hola, brother. Yo, B-Tree. Oh, come on, bro. God damn. Thank you, B-Tree, man. Honestly, you don't have to. I feel like you know that because you've been here for a while. Well, you should. But we all know those ears don't work. For everyone. Thank you for the gifted subs, brother. 3 gifted subs. They went to Mononoke 9000, Akataduki, and 7H30F7 exclamation point. And Posticek. Count Chappie, 4 months. Much appreciated, my brother. Honestly, didn't have to, bro. I'm getting pretty hot, eh? Yeah, we'll try and get this leg done, and then we'll do the other one probably Monday, Tuesday, maybe. Oh, what's the chicken? Yeah, I'll probably start gearing up my prop warrior for Project 30 tonight. Because I don't really enjoy arms. I mean, I can watch Bajira play arms for days, or like for hours, but man, I don't know how he makes it look funny. Maybe it's because he's played it for years. Maybe. I don't know. Yo, RJ, another prime sub for the artist. Yo, thanks for the 4 months in a row, my brother. How you been, my bro? Thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to, man. Chiefs or Hurricanes? Chiefs. In the Blues. Oh, damn. Toasty bacon. Throwing all the corgis at us, brother. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I still count with my fingers. True, it's almost 4 o'clock. Yo, toasty bacon, brother. Thank you for the bits, my bro. Have you played any Valve games? Yeah, Dota. That's a Valve game, eh? I play Warrior and pretty much played Horde since the end of BC. Only just started playing Alliance just because Panda's on that side. It's the only thing I don't like about OCE WoW is everyone wants to play the dumb Alliance. So if I don't, let's do this. Hey Samuel, Udizzle, thank you very much for the bits, brother. And Choxester, thank you very much for subbing as well, brother. Thank you, Fando. Jiggy, when are you going live? I'm just gonna peer pressure you till you do. Yeah, I think Dota's the only Valve game I've played. Well, Dota 2. I haven't really played anything else by Valve. Ooh. Oh yeah. Hey, Ofaku. Oh, I think I hear kids walking around. Could these be trick-or-treaters? Slip my hair out and chase them. Nah. Call me Umaga. Dun 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 dun. What I'm finding. One more, so one more. Oh man, the timber right here is crap. Is this wild music? Yeah, but need a leather face mask. All you need is my hair out and a pukana and I'm away. I remember the last time we did like when we had kids like trick or treating. I did the whittle to them and man, they got scared, eh? I had the bag of lollies because I had the whole uniform. Thank you, Sunny Cook, for the 100 bits, man. Much appreciated. Okay, fine. Now I'm almost done with this row. Called Trista's Brooks. Well, I didn't have many friends growing up, but I was blessed to have her also. My brother Faze, what up? JNR, Oceana Locks takes. Okay. We're looking good. We're looking good. Oh yeah. Hold on, funny. Oh yeah. Straighten the bugger up. One more so my. Oh, come on, bro. X-Ruder, thank you for the bits, and then Toasty Bacon as well. Oh, you know he is. Thank you, guys. Much appreciated, whanau. E komo mai. You're welcome. Oh, that's cool. E komo mai. Yo, B-Tree, one day, brother, I would love to come there, man. Once everything's calmed down. Trust Smack, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. Much appreciated, brother. Okay, sorry, whanau, I'm just gonna pop these out. I might miss a few comments. Just because we're almost at the end of this section. Did you see those dudes that got ripped off of their first edition Pokemon pack they got? This collectible guru dude kind of showed up out of nowhere, eh? Hey, what's everyone saying A for? What happened? Hey, T1 Connor. Swap kit and bruh OT line. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Thank you, whanau. Confused Brooks with the what are you up to? Okay, timber is ripping. There we go. Morning, Callum. It looks beautiful. Thanks, man. It's, looks alright. There. Hey, Maya. You are a good sort today. Thanks, T1 Connor. I'm alright. Hey, you too, bro. How's it going, bro? How's your Saturday? It's going all good, bro. Had a birthday party to go to this morning just for baby. But other than that, yeah, my Saturday's pretty chill. Just trying to finish this road. My bad if I'm taking too long, whanau. Might have to call it the primordial weather report. Our thunder. Cheer for the inspiration. Yo, Kellen, thank you very much for the sub bar. What's the meaning of your carving? What is it that you want to know about the carving? It's a popo, if that's what you're wondering what the name of it is. You'll mainly find these particular carvings in our carved meeting houses that are named after our ancestors as well. So usually the popos that are inside are like descendants of the ancestor as well. So these are kind of like our portraits of our ancestors. We didn't have paintings, this is how we did it. But for this piece in particular, it doesn't represent anyone because it's going to be sold or given away. And you don't name your carvings after an ancestor for it to be sold, because you're not supposed to make money of selling an ancestor, because even that sounds wrong, if you get me. It's frowned upon. Life of a touch tough. We just had, I don't know if he's still here, but we had one of the staff members from Hawaii as well. Tapu. What's that, Bronny? Do you play Leg? Yeah, not all the time though. Cool game. Shit community. Too many people think they're what? Doing B when they're in bronze. And they say GG, we lost after first blood. What kind of wood is that? So this particular timber here is Cody. Now you can find this particular tree or wood in the upper half of the North Island. That's where the Cody Kingdom is. So the way to identify it is it's got a yellow tint to it. Another timber we like to use is tōtara, which is a native red pine. Much softer than this one. There he is. Oh, we were just talking about the weather and how Thunder.Punch likes to talk. Oh, jaw. Okay, it's almost done. Last one. Whatever happens to the piece you're working on before? SWAT kid. I did a mask. That was just for fun, that piece, and then an opportunity came up to trade it for some whalebone. Wanting their ancestors carved. Not really. Like, people, that's not really a request people ask for. Can you carve my ancestor? Yeah, no one ever really asked for that. It's mainly like stuff for birthdays or like gifts. Like the last one I did for a birthday was a taiaha on stream. I took the stream through that. Unfortunately, I finished it off stream, and then they turned up, and I couldn't show the handover, but it was all good. They loved it. That's what matters. That's always the hard part, is when the handover turns up, because you don't know if they're going to like it or not. At 3 AM, nice, chill. Chill, brother. Did we ever see the whalebone? Nah, but I left it at my mum's house, so it's just enough to make like a patu. Is that a tui singing? Yeah, they jump on the stream now and again. What does NZ locals think of the Kiwi experience buses? Oh, from my personal opinion, here's mine. Green. That's as far as I'll go with that. Green bus. Oh, you're wondering what the experience is like? Oh, I heard, yeah, quite a lot of young, or like early 20s to late, do the Kiwi experience thing, but Kiwi experience isn't on because of COVID. I remember the days leading up to like the COVID lockdowns, there was a Kiwi experience bus at work. So like I think it was that whole week leading up to that the whole lockdown and COVID's mass wide spreading. I remember it was a Monday around lunchtime, because we usually started our shift around 10:30, and the first Kiwi experience bus pulls in, and that's when they book for like the show that they're going to do that evening. But we're there to like just showcase carving, and you could slowly start to feel the people that were coming off the bus feeling on edge. Like then the next day you feel it even more, and the group started to get smaller and smaller. And on the Thursday, I remember this Thursday afternoon around 3:30, the bus comes in for the first tour, and there's a girl that jumps off this bus that looks sick as, and the staff, all the staff members were looking at her because it was tinted windows and worrying straight away. But just kept my cool, because you can like, we had pollards to block off our area, and we had to showcase to them from a distance. And man, yeah, you could see it, how worried people were starting to get. And she only had the flu, but at the same time, in the back of my head, I was like, that could be the virus. And then, yeah, there was some scary times when it first started to show up, not just at work, but in the city, because we're a big tourist attraction town, and that's what our city has pretty much thrived off, is tourism. And yeah, it's pretty much, this town got hit hard, but at the same time, yeah, we're still trucking through. Keep swimming. Keep moving forward. Yeah, so that's just a little something about that. Yeah, the flu's still bad. Seeing you at the Māori village. Don't they? You could have, bro. Yeah, you might have. What do you remember about the experience, brother? I could have sung Pokare. I usually had to when I was on because everyone would coast and hide. Yeah, you could have, brother. Crip saw you, yeah, November 2019. I remember when, so we have like a challenge area, like where we welcome everyone in, and you walk onto the palisades and you see the whole group. I walked up and straight away I went, there's Crip. I was like, oh, he's here. I was buzzing out, like, the literal Cripperian is right in front of me and he's tall AF. Forget the garden tour of your house tour. No, gotta ask the baby it's her garden. Yeah, so it's probably one of the highlights for me, meeting Cripperian. Oh, I was buzzing. And then he streamed that night as well, and this is when my Twitch name wasn't Brox. And I think it's still on my Twitter, probably right back in the archives. And yeah, he called me a badass dude. Yeah, he was here for ExileCon, that's what he was here for. But yeah, because I was on his Instagram one day and I went, huh, that's Auckland, like one of the cities here. Because I didn't even know he was coming over. And having the opportunity or the, well, I don't even know what to call it. Yeah, the opportunity to meet him, I'll just say that. I was buzzing. I was like, you're the hunter. You used to play hunter. That was cool, yeah. Is that wild music in the background? Yep. Hey Rob City, chew brother. Keen to play some war today. Oh, chew Bissell, you're the monkey. Yeah brother, I'll be on later tonight. That's right, I remember that name from the guild. I'm just trying to gear at the moment, brother. Man, I was gonna link my my character in Pandas thing last night just to get some like insight, but I forgot and I ate M&Ms instead, and I had a Coke Zero, and I totally forgot about it. As many followers as good. Oh, I'll never be as good as him at Hearthstone though. I always enjoy watching his streams. I usually, even though I don't talk in them anymore, cause man, his chat's busy, eh? I don't know how he handles that. Even Quinn's, his one is busy as well. I always just lurk in their streams and watch. Even when Quinn's going ree half the time. I just like supporting Quinn because he's from NZ. Oh, got a Bissell. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I'm still learning, but Man. Oh, I'll just So what Discord is everyone in for Project 30? Is it in Panda's one, brother? I'll just link him in there. Yeah, ora, go to bed. Oh, it seems like everyone's using Panda's one. Ah, sweet as, brother. Yeah, I'll definitely hit you up tonight, brother. Have a good sleep, Otter. Should have went to bed ages ago, but chill, my bro. How'd you get so good at crafting? I'll tell you when I get good. I'm average. But it's just like anything that you practice, eh? It's practice, practice, practice. I mean, LeBron and Curry didn't get good at threes just like that. It's the work they did off the court. It's like Richie McCaw, put in the extra hours. It's like keep going, keep improving. Just like Bajira, the #1 warrior, the corrupted gladiator. Just continue to grind. Batman and Rob City. Cheers, bros, for subbing. He didn't have to, though. So thank you, Whanau. Save it. Oh my god. I'll probably stream WoW Herp Derp. I mean, not good at the game, but I enjoy that way more than LoL. So the internet man should be here on the 5th. So I got the modem. I just gotta. So he's gotta come to the place for 2 days in a row on 2 separate days. Where are you from? Aotearoa. Hey, 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 what's up, classified? No way, no way. Hey, brother. V-Head, yo, thanks for the 3 months in a row, man. I'd like to see you do some raids, my guy. That's something I want to get better at, eh? Raids and PvP. But I don't know if I'll take my prop warrior that I currently play in Project 30 to 50 unless Project 30 carries on. I'll leave the EXP buff at that. If it carries on, then yeah, I'll start gearing him up. If you want to check out what my prop warrior's name is, just Armored Bear. Yeah, I suck at coming up with names, and I was watching Golden Compass and looking at Volibear at the time, and the name was available on the server, and I was like, win. Yeah, his name's Armored Bear. Oh, it's a bumblebee. Hello, good bite. I smell cake. In our kitchen, hold on. Let me check. Easy prediction. Easy prediction, whanau. Janzo, no, I haven't seen that, brother. Is it out now? I just want to see what Uric Bernisson's like on there. Is that all? Yes, that is all. Here's my favourite, eh? Do you speak another language, Box? Ai, kai te mohia e tōku nei reo rangatira, koe nei te reo e kōrero ana ki a koe nāne, ko te reo Māori. There's my tank. Cheer, bro. Cheer for the 7 months. I was supposed to hit you up last night. Oh, probably hit you up tonight. Cheer for the 7 months. You didn't have to. You know that. I'll leave a straight and spam every other person I'm following this live right now. I get oh, true, bro. The old ones, amazing art, always amazing work. Thanks, brother. Yeah, so we're just gonna get this road prepped for now, and then we'll call it a day because I smell cake and I want some. And it's even better when baby makes it. How's the weather? Oh, much better now, bro. It was like raining pretty hard before. Yes, my man. Yeah, I actually enjoyed it, eh? What did you think of KDA's new song? Right, it's cool. It's catchy. Like the part when the new champ comes in, it's like different, eh? Kaliga, Kaliga, yeah, Kaliga, work, Kaliga. I didn't even know Madison Beer was in KDA. Then I had to Google who she was. I was like, oh, okay, she's got a cool last name. That's about it. It's too busy to notice. What's that for, KFC kid? I don't know what you're on about. Ki te koutou I tēnei tamaiti. I don't know what you're on about, bro. Doesn't sound that interesting. Oh well. Motor. Wait, there's motor here. Can't be. I didn't see him. Shout out from Auckland. Cheers, brother. Okalani. Okay. Yeah, quick prep, and then we should be good. Bum, 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 bum. Kia tohe ai taua I te tohi atu Wae ka toho ko au ka hoki Maore Oh crap. Zoe X. The gifted bits. God. What the hell? God damn, brother. Much appreciated, man. Oh my god. Cheers, Callum. Go find a nap. Yeah, all good, bro. Sweet as, bro. Not looking too bad. Still gotta fix these ones up. From what I can see, it's mainly just trying to get those. Okay. Okay, mod whanau. Ko i tēnei rā. Any of our good bros on? Wonder if Fanta's on. Brum doo doo doo. Zog zog. Greetings from Chile. Hola. Fanta's on. Che. We'll head up. Oh. Is he. What's he up to? Is he streaming now or is he about to? Zitro, thanks for the 2 months, brother. Oh, Stephen on. Either one. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, there's quite a few people on. I feel like playing God of War listening to that song. Oh, yeah. Oh. play WoW, but I don't want to get addicted again. Who's got the least viewers? Send them to them. Either one, I don't mind. Stand them up soon, whanau. Disregard from Chile, bro. Hey, thanks, brother. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, let's stand them up. Art is the best. Whatever you love to do is the best, I would say. What you reckon, whanau? Not bad. How old are you, Brooks? I'm 29, brother. Can you see it? Is it all good? I've got to cut some of the bottom off because it's uneven. Not bad. It's just leaving it up just so everyone can see it, what we've done so far. How tall are you? Taller than this carving on the thing, for sure. Is it tapu for a carver to allow another carver to add to... No, not really. It's up to the carver, really. Just leaving it up so you can see what we've done so far. Gibraltar. I've been told that many times before. It looks like the tongue is sticking out. It's probably because it is. I don't know, eh? Fuck you. So many detail. Carving says Blair. Oh, that's what I won't say anything. I don't think it says Blair. But hey, if you can see this timber at the back here as well, this is what I'll be carving soon. So as you can see, that big block there, so I'm going to be cutting it. So I'm going to use half for the secret job that I have to do, and the other half I'll just do a 3-dimensional figure, as you can see, just over there. So it looks pretty good. But I'm not really gonna reveal what I'm doing till the day. So I'm still talking to the people in the emails about it, and let's just hope I do a good job. Hey, I hope I do. Was the timber a koha? No, I bought it. But I think that's wood. Oh, I don't know. Could be a dairy milk Kit Kat. Okay, hold on, find it. Just gonna look for someone to read. Hope I spelled it right. Did I spell it right? I don't know if I did. Did I spell it right? Did I spell it right? Let me know, please. What sort of cam setup you got? Oh, it's just a white camera, Sony 4K, with a fluffy mic underneath it. I'm no camera person, bro. I can just tell you what it's got on it. Yeah, I'm no tech genius, really. But other than that, that's going to be us for today. We'll be on tomorrow. I'm just going to be sharpening my chisels tomorrow, getting ready for this piece for JT, and this one at the back here. So I've got a bit of cutting to do as well on the chainsaw. So I'll see you later. Probably see you tomorrow. Maybe a bit earlier than usual. But cheer fun it. Gotta go inside and turn the roof.